Hey everyone, this is Ail from Life of a Gamer. Today I am doing a screen on test on Honor 8X, and this phone have a battery of 3750 mAh. So we will play videos for 4 hours, 1 hour camera and 1 or 2 hours gaming. So let's begin our video and see how long it survives.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So same like Honor 8X Max, I am playing Youku, which is like YouTube in China. So I'm playing a Running Man show, and we will play it for at least 4 hours and see how much battery drain and what is the temperature of the phone. Does it heat it up? My volume is full and the brightness is also 100%, you can see, and let's see the result.
되게 잘한대요. 아 진짜 잘해요?
영공은 좀 잘해요.
근데 사실 제니가 지금까지 못한다고 한 거 하나도 없어요.
So after 30 minutes the battery left is 97%, so it's really good. Only 3% is consumed in 30 minutes. So let's check the temperature, and it's 32.9 degrees, and from behind 32 point something. So it doesn't heat it up, it's really good. So after 1 hour the battery is consumed only 9% and the battery left is 91%. So the temperature is 34.1, from behind 33.5 and 32 degrees. So it's really good. The phone is really going so good.
이거 느낌으로 사야겠다. 여기. 잠깐만, 홀쭉하게 하고 있죠? 이상한데? 이상한데?
So 1 hour 30 minutes and the battery left is 83%. The temperature is 35.4 and 35.1 and 33.4. So good going. So after 2 hours the battery left is 25% and the temperature is 35.8. The phone doesn't heat it up, you can see always less than 36 degrees, and so it's really good going. So it's 4 hours now, and let's see how much battery left. What happened? Okay, so again we can start it. So the battery left is 46%. As I remember, Honor 8X Max, after 4 hours battery left only 40%. So this one is really going so good. So now we will start the camera for 1 hour. I record a video from front camera. It's HD 720p. So let's begin the time. So 1 hour is done, so it's 5 hours now, and let's see the battery left. So it's 28%. So in 1 hour we use near about 18% in the camera. So now we will play PUBG and we will see. So you can see I'm playing on high definition, no HDR. So I will play till the battery lasts long. I'm just showing the highlights of the match in fast forward so we can pass the time, and it's near about 5:30 and phone is going good, doesn't hang, doesn't lag, and I didn't face heating issue also. Oh my god, so I'm unlucky in this match, so I'm dead. So next match we started. It's 5 hours and 40 minutes now. So as I remember, Honor 8X Max survived 5 hours 53 minutes. The battery is 5000 mAh, and this one the battery is 3750. Until now is playing good, so maybe it can break the record of Honor 8X Max. So let's see, can it survive more 13 minutes? So we crossed 6 hours and the phone will be shut down soon, and it's shut down. You can see 6 hours 3 minutes. So in the last I faced a lot of lag in last 5 minutes, you can say, because the battery is so low in this phone. Let's check the temperature first. So 38.7 degrees, that's really good after playing PUBG for 1 hour, and 36.9, about 37 and 34. So this performed really good, more than 6 hours, better than 8X Max. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.